know, I'm just cooling out here. What was that? Good morning. How's everybody doing? How's your day? I hope your day's going great. Welcome back to another vlog, and we're suffering right now. Suffering. Deadly. You guys probably can't even hear me. Maybe if I turn this way. Oh wow, a lot calmer. Yeah, this is really bad. Yeah, let me show you guys a little something right here. Look what's happening. Whoa! Oh, that's all water. Ew. What's up, everybody? Yeah, I kind of lost all my vlog footage, so I'm just coming at you guys again with a whole entire other day. This is basically the aftermath of everything that just happened, so yeah, let it go. Alright guys, I'm showing you guys some aftermath, holy Jesus, some aftermath of what just kind of went down. Oh! Look at it. This is
Are we live?
Yeah, we're live.
So this is what's going on. This is a tornado, and it's actually so strong.
Hey, time out.
Yes, I can. As we can see, there is a tree that is ground, and it actually took off the ground. I am talking about it lifted off the ground. That's how powerful the wind was. Let me tell you, my brothers, it is actually really bad. We have a lake in the back. This is not even a lake. Let me tell you, people. Let me tell you. This is not a lake. It could probably have what they call alligators in this stuff. And I mean, oh my God. I played soccer up in this thing before. This is serious. This is serious stuff. This is a fence. Oh Lord. This is a fence over there. As you can see, this is an actual fence. It fell off with lots of trees. That could have had coconut. Lots of coconut. But we go now. Lots of coconut.
Can I get a camera and fish?
Let me pray it doesn't come down, because I will go halfway under.
Let me get near the water. Hey guys, so I can hold on to the thing.
If it goes down, it'll be safe for you. Yeah, no, I think it's worth. Have you been over there?
Not over there.
Yeah, I think
This boardwalk is the deepest right around here.
Yeah. Oh gosh. See this?
I don't know about you guys. I don't know what you guys think, but to me this is actually nice.
Oh my God. I'm just kind of like exploring out here.
For real, bro.
Like, I'm just trying to see what's going on down here for you guys who live down in this part of the States, because I don't see this every day. Wow.
This wind actually goes super fast. It goes so fast that I'm talking about. There is a street danger. Oh my God!
Look at this. Oh, okay. Car guy.
This is what's gonna happen. I mean, this is what's going on. It's crazy out here. There is a tree branch that came straight off that tree and fell here. In another word, this is serious stuff. This playground has never been there. This was lifted up from my door. This is a playground that was lifted up from my door and installed in this place. This is crazy stuff, people. There is another lake. This is not a lake, people. This is a river. This is ocean. But anyway, this is the craziest stuff. This got installed last night by the hurricane. Hurricane Irma is an installer. He is actually Trump himself. He installs shit. He builds shit. He builds shit.
Alright guys. guys, I'm well aware. This is late. It's really late, and yeah, I'm well aware this is. Oh, lighting's bad. This is just. I am well aware this is the worst vlog. You probably already clicked out, but if you're still here for this, thank you. I love you. Yeah, this day didn't really go well for vlogging. Oh yeah, and then another thing I just want to like throw in there, like, I don't know. I just like want to like let everyone know, like, even if you're someone from my school and you're watching this now, like, I'm not doing YouTube. Like, I didn't just start to do this just because like, oh hey, like you can make money from this, or oh hey, like I want to become famous. Like, I literally decided to do this because this is just something I love to do. Like, I love to make people laugh. I love to entertain people. I love to keep people happy. Like, this is just what I like to do. Like, this is just me. Like, I'm not doing this like I'm not expecting like, oh my god, like after this, like I'm gonna become like a big, you know, YouTuber. Like, I don't, like, obviously, like I could always hope and dream for that, but I'm not here for the money. I'm not here for popularity or for fame, or I don't even know what you want to call it. Like, I'm just here because I love to entertain people. I just want to know that people are like people. I just want to know that people like what I'm putting out there, and they're enjoying like seeing the stuff I do and like seeing the things I post. Like, that's all. Like, that's all I could ask for. And I mean, I guess that's it. And like, a simple dislike on a video is not like, I don't know what, like, I just don't understand. I don't know if everyone, well, I don't know if everyone knows. I've noticed, obviously, 'cause it's my channel, but if you've noticed, every video I have uploaded, someone or two people at least have personally decided to just, like, I literally noticed, and I went on the whatever analytics, I don't know what it's called. I literally went on to see what day this happened, and literally someone took the time to go through every single one of my videos and dislike them. For what? And literally, the video I just posted, like, yesterday, Friday, whatever. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. The video I literally posted Wednesday, like, the second it went up, dislike. Like, I don't know who you are or what the problem is. I'm 100% sure I'm 100% sure I know who this person is, but if it's not who I'm thinking of and you're someone who goes to my school, why? Hey, what? This is. I'm sorry. Does it look like I? No. Like, I don't care. Like, if you think that's like bothering me, it's not. Trust me, I don't. Stuff like that doesn't. That don't get under my skin. It just don't. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna end the vlog here because there's really nothing else for you guys to see. I'm literally in my bed. Like, I don't know what else. I don't know what else you guys want to see. Hopefully tomorrow will be better. I don't know. But yeah, I love you guys, and I hope to see you guys very soon, and I hope you come back and you hit that subscribe button right here. I hope to hit it. But yeah, I love you guys, and I will see you guys next Wednesday. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this with your friends. And if you like my content, let me down a comment below. Let me know how I'm doing. I always need that feedback. Feedback is good. So yes, thank you so much. I love you guys, and mwah. I'll see you guys next Wednesday.